Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make an exploding egg. Looks something like this. You can make the explosion bigger or smaller, and this is how you code it. To code an exploding egg, it isn't that hard. First, your first line should be this. This line is basically telling the computer to load a library. This specific library has a different kind of code. Only this code will work for this kind of library. So that's your first line. Your second line would be to call a variable and make a function. I call my variable explosion, and so it would be var explosion equals function event. Inside your curly brace, put in a bunch of lines for more code. Your second variable would be var projectile. Since projectile is an event and an entity, this will be your next line of code inside your function. Your second variable would be var world. Var world is basically making sure that the explosion should happen in a specific world. What that means is a server has many different worlds, and the computer wants to make sure that the explosion happens in the world that the projectile was fired in. When you tell the computer to make an explosion when the egg hits the ground, this will be your if statement. It will basically say that if the egg is the projectile that is launched, then it will create an explosion at the egg's location where it hits the ground. The number 50 basically tells it how big the explosion will be. The bigger the number, the bigger the explosion. If you make your explosion number around 100, your server could start lagging, and if you make too many explosions, your server could glitch. You can also do this exact same exploding idea for a splash potion. It's the same thing as an egg, only you throw a splash potion at the ground and it explodes. Here's how it looks in Minecraft. Just take your egg, throw it at some trees, watch the explosion. You can prank your friends, throw an egg at them, a harmless little egg. Won't do anything, right? Except for that. Now, here's what it does to some poor, innocent little sheep that just want some food, but you kill them anyway. Here's how it is. Sit back and enjoy.
That was beautiful.
So, this is your island of sheep. They look so happy, right? You see this? You got all kinds of sheep. Oh, you even got a little baby sheep. Well, guess what? They're all gonna die in a big explosion. Watch. You go up really high so you don't kill yourself. I mean, I'm in creative, but, you know. Yeah, and you just throw it at them. You see, that was glorious. Not a single thing survived. And you got all the wool in the world. Plus meat. And experience orbs. Yeah. It's a win-win situation. Except for the sheep who died. Yeah. If I get enough likes on this video, I may teach you how to use a broomstick, which is a big, fast, flying thing that will fly you fast to things. Fast. You see how fast you can fly? Can you do that in creative mode? Nah, I don't think so, mate. Like, look at this. You go from one end of the world to the other in 5 minutes. Yeah. One more thing I'll be showing you in this video is how to make an explode bow. It looks like this. You aim, you fire, it goes boom. That's what it does to a castle. Yeah. You can prank your friends. Ask them to have a 1v1 with you, and they'll die. Because they think it's just a normal bow, but it'll blow them up in a massive fiery guts. GG. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff if you want. These are